In this video I will show you how to use text-to-speech on Instagram Reels. First open the Instagram app. Then tap on the plus button at the bottom center. Tap Reel. So now you can either record a video right now or upload one from the gallery. I am gonna select video from my gallery. Then tap on the text option at the top. Type in the text that you want to convert to speech. Tap on the text at the bottom left. Tap on the three little dots. So now you'll see a text-to-speech. For me it's currently not available in my region. So I will show a picture how it would look like. After you select text-to-speech, it will give you an option to choose voiceover. And your text will be converted to speech. That is how to use text-to-speech on Instagram Reels.